Hello guys, this is Jaril. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to clear a cache data on your application. First thing you have to do is you have to go to settings. It's like what I'm doing here now. And then look for app management. Now this is specifically for an Oppo device, which is an Android device. Then look for the application that you would like to clear the cache data from. So in this case, let's say I would like to clear the cache data of my app Perfect Piano. And click on storage data here or storage usage, and then you can see right there the cache and just click on clear cache, just like what I did right there. Now guys, that is how you exactly delete the cache or clear the cache of any application. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.